Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing another vacuum cleaner. This one is from Mr. Dorian, better known as Hooverlux. So yeah, let's unbox it. It's a vacuum cleaner from February 1975. It's a hoover cleaner, so you know, it's vintage, and I do like my hoover cleaners. It's a newer version of something I've already got. It isn't upright as well, so you know, and he's chucked in the bag in here, kind of old dust bag. So we've got some paper, we've got a fill tube which has got disposable vacuum cleaner bags. I will take this off 1 minute, sorry Dorian, but I'm going to put a genuine hoover one on there. I'll keep that one. So I'll keep that. It's got a crack in the top, but no. There's the bag. It's a hoover bag, and it's not, well, Dorian did say it was refurbished, but where it's been used, something. But it's got a bottom fill tube on it, which again I don't mind. But yeah, it's got a top fill bag thing in there for some reason. Here we must have the handles, and we do. So we've got 2 handles, and the bottom cord hook is a bit smashed in there. Hopefully the top cord hook on this one's alright. And bloody hell, what kind of repair is that? But we do. Yeah, the top cord hook's okay. That's a weird grip. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So as I was saying, yeah, I will need to do kind of better repair on there. I'll probably use a nut and a bolt. This is just a raw plug on here, so yeah, we'll do a better repair on there. It looks to all just come apart. Take a look at that. Dorian had polished it all up for me, so thanks very much. Put all this all over here. So it's got a cable. Might be the original cable, I'm not sure. And here is the main machine itself. So I've just put the paper into the box. So just check if anything else in there. That should be all okay. So put that over there. Here's the cleaner itself. It is a Hoover Senior Ranger. Isn't in the best condition because the lens has been smashed in the past. Brush roll is, I don't know whether that's been resprayed or, but it's got a new belt on it. Let me just turn it upside down. These are very, very heavy cleaners. I've never had a Senior Ranger. But yeah. I don't know if it has been refurbed because the fans are quite dirty. But if it hasn't, it's no big deal. Connor Courts owned this Hoover. Okay. Hello, Connor. So I think Connor's a subscriber of mine. I'm not too sure, but I have heard that name somewhere. It's got a little micro stitch on the back. And yeah, it's generally alright. I don't know if it has been refurbed or not. Shall we crack it open and have a look, shall we? Let's go and get my impact driver. So, just 2 slip screws here. 1, 2. And we'll take a look. hasn't been refurbished. You can see it's just an old, it's just a normal senior with a thing on it really. It looks to have been apart. Let's just check if the bulb is. I don't know if that's gone. If it has, I can get another one easily. They're not that expensive. Still got the suppressor in here, so we'll have to remove this at some point soon, whatever. Very easy really, it's just remove the suppressor and there's the foot switch. So yeah, it's got the little what's name on there, and bloody hell that is, it hasn't been refurbished. So I will need to do it, but you know, you can't have all these things. It's not Dorian's fault. I thought Dorian did say he thought it had been refurbished, but it might have just been where it's been sitting or something. But it's not your fault, Dorian. But you know, right, we've got all this rubbish running to here and here, there, and everywhere. So when I can be bothered, I'll join everything. I'll chop that suppressor off, and we'll have it back up and running. For now, it's not going to get used much. So, ooh, I will need to find a new hood because it's got a crack in it and the lens is a bit knackered. But, you know, let's give it a go. Let's run it. Brush roll, I might actually spray that as well. Because I know originally that wouldn't be grey. That would be black or maybe white. I'm not too sure. Yeah, we might have to spray that. I think I've got some black paint in my shed. I'm not too sure. Right, so let's get the let's take this handle off. So take that one off, and then that shall. Can't remember which way these handles go. Yeah, this one goes at the front because it's got the bigger. Or does it? That one goes at the front because it's got the. That goes there, like that. That's got the smaller thing in it, and then that should just go in there like that. Sure it does. God's sake. It's a fiddler. That's it, there we go. And we put the little screw thing in, like so. And that's a bloody phone going off again. Sorry about that. There we go. Handle's in there. And then this top thingy goes in the top hook. Move this up a bit. Oh god, the cable needs a bit of a clean, but we could do that. I don't know if it's the original cable, because it seems a bit long, but if it is, it is. It's not, I'm not bothered, it's white. So let's put this thing in the top it. That's it like that. I'll just unlock this cable out of this. There we go. I will need to repair this hook thing as well for the bag, but there. That's it. That goes in. What does it? What way does it go? Right, supposedly goes this way actually, because it's got the bigger the hole in the back for the thing. Goes in there, and that goes in there. I'll probably find a little nut and bolt to go through that handle. Nut bolt and washer should do the trick, but the hoover isn't in the best condition. It's in alright condition for what it is, but it's not the best. So let's just put this in there, like that. Pull that through, and there we go. We'll put the bag on, of course. Slide that across, and there we go. Nice vinyl bag. Of course, that's not very sported. What we'll do, and it's fallen off because it's not spring loaded. Just yeah, it will fall off. I need to sort that spring out in there. But anyway, it's got no thing, so we'll just use the one off this top fill bit of tube, which I don't know what I'll do with it. It's got a thing on there. Green fill tube, I've never seen one in person before. So, on sec, let's go and get a bag. I would use this old one here, but I don't really want to. Let's go and get one of my new old stock genuine ones from deep in my file, which actually have the Senior Ranger on them, so that's cool. There we go. So it's one of these yellow ones. So to put the bag on, all you do is put that on there. Just roll this back tube right back. Roll back your sod. That's it. Roll that right back. Get this and put it on there. Like that. And roll it. Supposedly roll the bag thing on. It's not having none of it. Right. Let's do it like that. There we go. Should. There we go. I think my nan had one of these as well years ago. She said she had a green, I think it was a green version that she had. There we go. Bags on. So I think she said she had a green one. So that's cool. I'm going to hers at the weekend, so I might take this. But it is not refurbished. So yeah. Senior. Yeah, I quite like it. I've never really seen one of these before. I've seen normal Seniors, but not one of these. But we'll plug it in. We'll plug it in. And we'll see what it works like. Definitely needs the brush roll bearings working on. They're shot, or very rattly. But yeah, it will need some work. Does the top cord? Yeah, the top cord hook swivels. But you know, it will need some work doing to it. But it will be a project, I suppose. So do expect to see this after. It is really shiny because Dorian did polish it before he sent it out to me. Let's try wrapping the cable this way. So I'm trying to get the bit where the plug don't just hang. There we go, that's better. That's it. And the bags are annoying me actually. reattach the spring in there and do a better repair than a raw plug and a screw. But anyway, there we go. There's my new 1975 Hoover Senior. Also the box in the background, Dorian, if you're watching, 2 boxes, that one and that one, is what your Dyson will be posted in. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.